Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and please help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can start doing giveaways for you guys. And now let's get into the video. So we're gonna be talking about blockchain. And blockchain, okay, if you do not know what it is, blockchain is a data structure that holds transactional records and while ensuring security, transparency, and decentralization. Okay. So blockchain is becoming a big thing now, as you can see in these different type of videos on YouTube and these different news websites. You can tell that blockchain is becoming a big thing now in currency. Like there is money out there that's called cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency is money that is decentralized. It's not owned by any government. It is just for everybody. It's for the people, and is done with blockchain. And it seems that blockchain is becoming a wide use for everything. Like it's becoming a big part of our lives right now, and it's going to become a thing in the future. Now, blockchain is a data structure. It holds it holds records of almost anything, all information, and sooner or later, as you can see, that cryptocurrency is going to become a way that you're going to be using your money. So technically, the money that you use now, sooner or later, is going to be decentralized. It's going to be digital, and it's going to be part of blockchain. And blockchain is used in cryptocurrency. Now, this video is not about cryptocurrency. We're going to be talking about blockchain, okay? But blockchain is part of those cryptocurrency. And for blockchain is good for transaction, electronic transaction. Now, there's questions out there about blockchain. One of them is, can blockchain be hacked? Now, the answer is no and yes, because it can, but it's nearly impossible to. So what I mean is that if you're an expert, like if you're really good at hacking, then honestly it is able to be hacked. But the thing is, it's nearly impossible to hack it because of the cryptographic algorithm and the decentralized nature of it. So it makes it immune to attacks or any hacks that's going to be coming its way. So, I mean, you can say yes, but then you also got to put into play that it is almost impossible. Like, it's nearly impossible to do it. So, the answer is not definitely like one-sided. It's more like you had to put in that 50-50 type of percentage in it, not the full 100%, because it's just something that is more complicated to actually try to hack than trying to like hack into somebody's computer, than trying to hack into some cryptocurrency because of how it's encrypted and how you had to bypass a lot of code. So another question that people ask is, why is blockchain the future? What I'm by that question, why is blockchain the future? Because as in all these videos that you see, they said blockchain is going to be the future. It's going to be used in our everyday lives. It's going to be used every time we walk outside or we use our phone. It's going to be part of it. And a lot of people wonder why it's going to be a big part of our future. And for the answer, it's because in the future, we're going to be seeing a lot of blockchain become the backbone for running world trade, and it offers all the promising features that makes it possible for different parties to trust each other. And with this, it will be possible for everyone to do trade through blockchain as every action is transparent and immutable. Okay, and honestly, I believe that it's going to change how the world will utilize the money and how people are going to trust each other, because for blockchain, it's not run by one person. It's like okay, for example, it's like a platform where people can come together and they trust in whatever they trust in, and it's not controlled by one. It's like controlled by the people, the citizens. Like, it's controlled by the people who use it. It's not controlled by the government or the actual state, and it's not owned by that state. It's more as in the people are the ones who runs it, and not run by a certain type of person. So in my opinion, I believe that the world is going to utilize cryptocurrency, and you're going to be utilizing blockchain a lot in our everyday lives in the future. And right now, it's being more known, and mostly it's being more known in cryptocurrency. So we're going to be doing our video on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin to explain like what cryptocurrency is and what Bitcoin is, so you actually understand it and understand like why I'm keep saying cryptocurrency, and like why it's going to be utilized as blockchain would be. But blockchain, it makes it difficult for any types of hackers to actually to hack inside anything. Like, blockchain makes it harder, and it helps makes things easier than actual like anything else. Now in the future, like right now, it's trying to progress. Or it's trying to move on and trying to become bigger to where more people and more people start to trust in it, to where it's used in everyday world. Now, blockchain is utilized in crypto. Now, crypto utilizes blockchain, right, to keep it secure, to keep it from being able to be hacked, right? So for blockchain to be more accepted, it's going to have to do with the cryptocurrency itself to be more accepted worldwide. So for that, you got to have the both sides. You got to have the cryptocurrency also be accepted too at the same time, for it to become more and more possible for everybody to accept it. Now, before I go, I just want to say, make sure you subscribe, you share, and you comment. Don't forget to like, okay? Don't forget to like, because you see the thumbs up on that video? Yeah, that thumbs up, that's going to help you understand more about the future and about the technology that's going to be happening, okay? Now, please help us by subscribing so we can hit 1,000 subscribers, so we can be able to give away many giveaways, right? So we can do giveaways for y'all. And on top of that, make sure that you subscribe so you can stay tuned for our next video. It's going to be about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and what is it and how it's going to change how we do transaction with money. So I'll see you in the next one. Later.